Hey guys, today we're going to be changing wax ring on this toilet. Stick around. Alright, first thing we're going to want to do is turn off the water. The water is off, and we'll give it a flush. And then we'll hold down the handle to drain the rest of the water out. And then we'll come over here to the side, and up underneath, right here, there will be your hose connection. We'll go ahead and pull that off and lean it over to the side. We will pull these caps off and we'll grab our wrench and we will go ahead and loosen them. Pull your nut and your washers off. Okay, next we will grab the toilet. We will lift it up. Alright guys, we will go ahead and spray this all down, get it all nice and cleaned up. You want to get all the silicone up on the floor as well. Alright, so I'm using a Better Than Wax seal. Comes with this bottom ring, hardware, and then this top one. So we will go ahead and install our new bolts. We'll go ahead and put the plastic clips on before we put any of this on. Now that we got our bolts and our clips on, we'll go ahead and drop our black ring first. And then our blue one. And then we'll grab the toilet and get the wax ring off that. And we'll go ahead and set it on. Set the rest of your hardware off. Go ahead and peel this wax ring off. The white cap's on. Our washers. And then new nuts. We'll do the same to the other side. Then we'll grab our wrench. And we'll go ahead and tighten all this down. Make sure you tighten evenly. And then go ahead and turn it on. Alright guys, next thing to do is to seal everything up. Alright, now that we have it all caulked up, go ahead and take our finger and just kind of clean up the excess. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned something out of this. Make sure you like, subscribe if you already haven't. Thank you.